guys, we're going to be making some stuffed chicken breast today. So the first thing you need to do is figure out what you want to stuff your chicken breast with. We have a variety of different things today that we'll show you. So the second thing you need to do is take your chicken breast here, slice it. This is how it comes, like this. Slice it down the center and butterfly it. Then what you want to do, place it on some saran wrap. Fold the saran wrap over like this. And what we're going to do is hit it with a pan or hit it with a mallet to flatten it out. Alright, so that's perfect. Let's back up. Alright, so now we have to figure out what we're putting in it. I've already got most of it set up here. So we're going to do prosciutto and some smoked Gouda right in there. Just like that. Alright, now I'm just going to use the wrap here. We're going to fold it over just like that. Take this out of here. And we'll put it over here for now. Alright, so I'm going to fast forward this step. So I'm prepping this for later today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap them all into some plastic wrap. So let's start off with number one. What we want to do is this is the breadcrumbs and this is egg. 2 eggs, 3 eggs I think. This is 3 eggs. So what we're going to do is we're going to dunk it in here, gentle. Don't lose all the filling. Then throw it over into the egg, into the breadcrumbs, like this. And then we're going to wrap it up. Alright, so we're going to put these back in the fridge now, because I'm not ready to cook them yet. So I'm going to wrap this up in plastic wrap and let it get cold. Whenever it's time to cook them, we'll just take them out. That's what it looks like. We'll just take them out and put them on the grill. Alright, so I'll show you again. Grab it here, your chicken, hold it together, dunk it, and then right into the breadcrumbs. This is a little bit messy. Those will be worth it. So there you have it. I have them all wrapped up. There is only 5 chicken breasts, This last one over here is just the chicken tenders that I breaded. We'll put these in the fridge, and when it's time to cook, we'll get them out. They're almost cooked. Alright, so I'm going to add the bacon now to the potatoes. I'll get this going over here. I'm going to put it on the side so we can get the chicken on. I'm going to unwrap this chicken one by one. So we'll let that all cook for a bit. We'll come back and flip them when they're ready to be flipped. Now we're going to carefully flip them. Should have flipped them a little while ago. Because of the breading, they will not burn, but get a little black. I'm going to turn the heat down just a bit. Now these look like they're getting really good here. So the last thing I'm going to do is sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on that right before it comes off. Alright, so I'm just going to put some Parmesan right on top of these potatoes here. I'm going to put a little bit on top of this as well. Alright, so there you go. Alright guys, there you have it. Doesn't that look juicy?